Hi, I am from Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a layer mask in Photopea, step by step. It's a simple technique that helps you control the visibility of parts of an image. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great tips and tricks. Step 1. To begin, open your image in Photopea. Once you have your image, make sure it's on its own layer in the Layers panel. If it's locked, double-click on the layer to unlock it first. Step 2. Next, with your layer selected, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click on the Add Layer Mask button. It looks like a rectangle with a circle inside. Clicking on this will add a white thumbnail next to your image layer. This indicates that the mask is active. Step 3. Now let's make some adjustments to your mask. Select the Brush tool from the toolbar or press B on your keyboard. At this point, you'll need to make sure the color is set to black. Black will hide parts of the image while white will reveal them. Step 4. Start painting over the areas you want to hide. If you make a mistake, switch to white by pressing X and paint over the areas you want to reveal again. Adjust the brush size and hardness as needed for more precise masking. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.